The course I'm doing is science, and I like it because I get to study about the human body, the anatomy, how we exist.
The environment is really friendly and it's safe, and the teachers, when you don't understand something, the teachers go out of their way to make sure you understand. Actually, I'm a shy person, but since I've gotten here, I'm kind of getting out of my shell.
Yes, because everyone is from very many different backgrounds and different ages, so it is easy to get along with people because everyone is more open to making new friendships, and it's easy to learn about other people's cultures and learn to respect them as well.
They're very understanding, they're friendly, and when you don't understand something, they ensure that you get it.
Break down stuff for me when I don't understand it, bring it to my level, and she's always available to listen to anything that I don't understand or I have an issue with.
So after I finish this course, I plan on moving on to the level 3 pre-access, which will be 1 more year, so that I can go to university.
In the future, I would like to become a veterinarian.
I want to become a medical doctor.
I've become more confident and more open-minded. I've made so many friends, which I didn't have before. And there's a lot of support here, the LDC, which you associate with everyone else, so that has helped me a lot.